spring concert.
That's the only way.
Molly Prince Proud is
A spring concert.
concerts and choir.
Hi, Grace.
And Kia. This is Kia. And Grace.
No, it's not Kia.
That's Kia, and then there's
It's you first.
And Grace.
And Grace, yes, Grace. We got you like 5 times now.
And it's my foot.
This is for Martin and Maisel. Hey Martin Maisel. Hi. They're still in Arizona.
They're living in Arizona.
Yeah.
Where's Nicole?
Passing through.
Nicole should be here. Nicole. You never go.
Oh, Nicole. Not here.
Nicole.
Again.
You're not here again. And you're never here.
John. So anyway, you know.
Oh, but I hope you win that picture thing.
I know, right? Give me some of your bliss.
Yeah, give me $100.
Wow.
So, what's na kayo dyan? What's up? What to do? And wala nang pick-up line ngayon. Wala na ang pick-up line ng busan. Eh, meron.
This is
Speaker
really-
ka ba? Ayoko na nga. So anyways, Pauline's 18th birthday party. Ako na naman
What pickup line?
The one that I told you. Network friend.
You tell them. I don't remember it.
We are friends.
Philip has a pickup line. Philip, tell it.
No, I don't want to tell you.
Oh my god, I forgot what it was.
I was just texting him earlier.
I'm like,
Oh my gosh!
What?
The record din sinabi ko.
What?
I know.
Remember last time?
I was like, who's that fool? I'm like, okay.
Who's that nigga?
That's a big one. It's like, who's this twink? Oh shit, it's that fool.
So yeah. That's
Oh,
Pauline.
can you stop recording tomorrow?
Maureen!
Say
Mark.
Mark and Maisel. Hi!
It's okay.
Stop recording. I have to tell you something.
Later. Wait, now? Yeah. We'll be back. I'm chewing ice. Okay.
Hello, we're back. Natapos lang namin bumaba ng hagdanan, mag-twirl, at kung ano ba yung ano ginawa natin. Ayun, nag-ano kami, nag-18 roses. Nag-18 roses and 18.
10! It's not 18, it's 10. Get it.
Dude, not here, up here.
Oh, it's 10 because you guys have Armando. It was
Wow, Justin. You're not gonna see anything there,
Our
man.
10th person was Pauline.
Wow. So yun, tapos yun, nag-speech kami and everything. Sayang wala kayo. You know, layo nyo kasi.
Dati nandito tayo.
Miss you!
Yung table dito, Janine. Isang mapo.
Hoy, Pimp, where's my commission? You didn't give me my commission. Gosh, Pimp, you're such a bad pimp.
Meron kang
Pimp,
gula.
oh, you're...
Janine.
Oh, yeah, Pimpo.
Janine, meron kang gulangon. It's okay. I only saw that, and now they're hearing it.
Why are we here?
Wow.
Look up.
Kaming dalawa ni ate.
Look up.
Sige.
No!
Okay, wala yung camera. Look at Philip. Look up. Wala.
What you want, girl?
Okay, it's gone. It's gone. Hi.
So,
Na-self-conscious na si Ginny kasi may kulangon siya
Layo.
kanina.
Well?
Okay,
Video
ito.
na lang, layo ba?
Yuck!
Yeah.
Kainin mo!
Yay!
yeah.
It's like a stalker.
Creepy!
Creeper!
Remember that, Mark? You almost jumped in. Oh!
So
What?
at my party,
Don't even remind me about that party.
at my party, I think we're having beer pong.
Zooming in.
Kailangan ko lang hahabulin, Mark!
Ano?
Kailangan ko lang hahabulin. And it's
So my parents know that I drink.
Nababoard na si Ginny eh. Walang mahabol.
No, it's okay, you know. My running after people days are over. They're gonna run
I'll be
after
like on the floor.
Yeah, like the cops.
Hell no!
The cops are running after Janine.
Heck yeah, because I'm freaking hot, you know. They want to give me a ticket for being the most wanted.
Okay, I think we're on the right place, you know?
So she can.
So we can go now and leave this girl alone.
Drink, John, drink.
So beer pong, my house.
Yeah!
No, I'll
play you drink, so you... Yeah.
No, she plays you drink.
I just heard John.
lose and I'm gonna drink it.
I just heard John said I play
do both.
you. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Ah! Fuck my butt! What?
Hey man.
Hey man.
Hey man, you're not.
Dude, that's not gonna go on YouTube. You're gonna get flagged.
Yeah.
Oh
Seriously.
yeah. I will.
Yeah.
Alright, well I'm not gonna upload it. Well,
Not on YouTube.
should I?
No.
I'll just
That's what I'm getting as my tattoo. I'm so excited.
I'll just say I'll delete that part. I'll tell him that part.
But I'm getting the sun, the stars, and the flowers.
I guess we'll be back later again. Anything?
Bye. See you
Okay,
later.
you're cool with the tattoo.
Love
Philippine
you.
flag. Hey Mark, we need you here, man.
Love you, Mark.
Yeah, you need to come back.
Love you daw, John.
Love you, Janine.
Ay.
Love
Good evening, Nicole, Mark, and Lorraine. We missed you guys. It's been 2 years. It's been 2 years. It's been 2 years.
It's been 2 years.
It's been 2 years. This is Pauline's house. What the? Pauline's house. Her cousin's house. Where like crap happened. And
Show
yeah,
it to
we
Kia,
missed
show it to
you.
Kia.
Hey, Kia,
I wish you guys.
Kia, what's this?
Wait, it's my turn to talk.
Who cares?
I
I'm just kidding.
And yeah, we missed you guys. I wish you guys were here.
That's big.
I did.
Jamie, say
My
something
surgery.
to Nicole,
Mark and
Basil,
Lee.
and Mark.
Me?
Knee, like knee.
Miss you guys. I miss you
Sino,
so
Janine?
much.
Ikaw, may sa... Sino? Sino isa?
Philip, you say something to Nicole, Maisel, and Mark.
Sino?
Nicole. Yeah, that. Mark. That too. Maisel.
That
too.
three.
Yeah, you know what I mean. You know.
Oh, okay, Kia.
Hi. All three of you.
Black.
I'm hungry.
Oh hell.
Okay, John, it's your turn. Hungry. It's your turn.
I'm eating.
Oh gosh, you're such a dick.
Hey.
Yes, I have a
Make me do what?
You do?
Make me do what?
Hello, people.
I don't know.
Ano, okay, bumalik na kayo dito. Tapos, si Nicole, kailangan mag-hang out na tayo soon, you know?
Oh, I know. Yeah, Nicole. That's true.
Tapos,
I asked her.
Nicole, we're gonna kidnap you. I don't care.
Is she
anymore.
still in Anaheim?
We're gonna kidnap you.
yeah,
my
Nicole,
God.
tapos
Oh, Pauline's
tama mo
here.
yung
Hey,
wife-
Pauline.
wifey.
Pauline's here.
This is for Nicole, Lorraine, and Mark.
Nicole and
So,
Mark.
hi Maisel, and who, and Mark?
Mark
Lorraine,
and Nicole.
Oh, Nicole, hi Nicole, Maisel, and
Yeah.
Mark. Yeah, I got it.
You guys need to hang out soon. SOON.
S-O-O-N.
Yun, tapos I miss you guys. Love you all. Hope see you soon. And,
Namiss na kayo ni Janine.
yeah, you know, I miss all of you. Dude, I am freaking black, huh?
You look black right now because of the lighting.
That's good.
You fucking nigger.
Ay, maganda.
You
Okay,
do?
I'm done.
Okay, bye.